and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to teach you how to do this beautiful granny square with a rainbow on the center and two cloud. I'm only going to show you how to do the rainbow and the cloud, and below the video there is a link for how I done the square, the granny square. It's extra solid, there's no gap in the square. So let's start, shall we? We're going to start by doing a slip knot, insert, pull, and then we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Now the last two chain represent half double crochet, and in the first chain I'm going to work 5 half double crochet. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now if you want a bigger rainbow, and instead of doing half double crochet you can do a double crochet, but I want a smaller rainbow. And then chain 1 and cut. This is the first one. Now we're going to bring the next yarn and insert in the beginning this rainbow as if you're walking a circle but doing only the other half. So now closing, what am I going to do? I'm going to chain 2 and then work around this yarn, and in the same spot in this same stitch I'm going to do what? A double crochet. No, sorry, a half double crochet. Since I've chained 2, I'm going to do half double crochet. Now in each of the double crochet, half double crochet, I'm going to do an increase half double crochet. So this is my first and this is my second. I'm going to do increase, and then here again, and all the stitches I'm going to do an increase half double crochet. So since I started with a 3 and 5 double crochet, so at the end if you count them you should have a 12. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is correct. I'm going to chain 1 and cut. Now again inserting the new color at the beginning here. At the second chain you're going to insert and then again chain 2. Now in this I'm going to only in the first half double I'm going to do a half double, and in the second you're going to do an increase half double crochet. So this is my increase. In the first one only 1 half double crochet, in the next an increase. Again in the first one half double crochet, in the second and increase. I'm going to do a chain 1 and cut. Again the new color at the beginning, at the second chain, this is the second chain, Now in this row I'm going to do again chain 2. Now in this row, the first one, the second one also half double crochet. In the third half double you're going to do an increase. So again the count is 1 half double, the next stitch again 1 half double, the third stitch an increase half double, meaning that I have to do 2 half double crochet in the same stitch. So continue doing this again in the last row. I have reached the end. I'm going to do a chain 1 and cut. Now for the last row, again at the beginning, at the second chain, to begin my row, I'm going to insert the new color and create a knot, and then work around the color while doing the row. Again, chain 2, 1, 2. Now for this count you're going to do, this is 1, and 2, also the third one only half, the fourth one we're going to do an increase. So the count what is 1, 2, 3. In the fourth half double crochet I'm going to do an increase, 2 half double in the same stitch. So for this row you're going to do 3 half double crochet, and in the fourth an increase, as you can see. We're going to continue until the end, do as that we have done before, chain 1 and cut, and then we're going to work on the 2 mini cloud. Now for the cloud I'm going to do a slip knot and chain 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is the base. Now directly in the second chain from the hook I'm going to work a single crochet, and in the second a single crochet. In the last stitch I'm going to work 3 single crochet, 1, 2 and 3. Now here I have already worked in the other side 1, so again 1 single crochet. In the next stitch we're going to work 2 single crochet, 1 and 2, and then I have to do a slip stitch, but we're going to continue. This is a slip stitch, and then in the same spot, sorry, don't do a slip stitch. On the cloud we're going to work as a continuous without doing any slip stitch or chain 1 to begin the row. So in here I'm going to work 3 single crochet, continue doing 1, 2 and 3. In the first single crochet we're going to do 3 single crochet, and then here 1, the next stitch 1 single crochet, and now here the one we have done work 3, the first one we're going to work 2 single crochet, and the one on the top we're going to work 1 single crochet. Again in the here the second one, the last one, 2 single crochet, and then here 1 single crochet. Here at the beginning we're going to work 2 single crochet. If you find it is difficult, just continue doing just play the video and do as I said. In the next 1 single crochet. Now we're going to do a slip stitch twice, 1, 2, and then we're going to work 3 chain. Now after doing the 3 chain, not here, the second here, the top, we're going to work 5 double crochet. This is 1, to skip only one chain, one single. If I show you, I have done slip stitch here, so skipping one single crochet and doing here five double crochet. 1 2 3 4 5 double crochet. And then we're going to skip one, and in the next stitch we're going to do a slip stitch. And then we're going to do here skip here, in the next one we're going to do 5 half double crochet. This is 2, this is a 3, 4 and 5. And then after the 5 you're going to do a slip stitch until the end. So here 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, and this is do a chain 1 and cut, and this is my cloud. See, I should have, you see, this is my cloud and this is my rainbow. You have to do another cloud, but when you do stitches, as I said, the square is going to be below. You're going to add it here in the center and with the cloud position this way. So do another one and come again to see how I'm going to. Now how I'm going to connect these, I'm going to place them in the center, but before this I have already secure all the yarn, but I'm going to show you one. You're going to insert like this and then insert the needle at the outer loop of my rainbow, and then you're going to cut. We're going to do this with all the extra yarn and also the cloud. You're going to place it in the center, and this is my extra. I already secured in the outer loop. I'm going to cut, then I'm going to place it like this. See here, there is a gap. I have done something wrong. I shouldn't have a skip here. After you chain the 3 at the beginning of the 3rd row, directly after you're going to start doing the 5 double crochet, and then the remaining are the same. But while I'm stitching, I'm going to stick it together so that I don't have any gap. I'm going to place like this to secure both ends using, I have placed it at the center like this, and then using a normal needle and with a normal thread I'm going to stitches together using this method. And then you're going to cut. At the end of the thread I'm going to create a knot to secure my end, and then we're going to start sticking together. What am I going to do? At the outer loop I'm going to insert the yarn, the thread, and then stitch both ends together, the mini cloud with the rainbow. See, I'm going to start here to 2 and then at the outer loop. Since it's already white, it won't be noticeable, but the remaining I can to secure both ends like this. Now here, only at the outer here and the, see, sticking both parts together. You're going to continue doing this, and when you finish, when you reach the end, you're going to create knot like this, and then before the end you're going to place the needle this way, creating a knot to close my stitches. You're going to do it twice. See, I'm doing here, it's the same, but at the end you're going to do this, and then you're going to cut, showing you how to stick both parts together. And this is my rainbow. I'm going to put the mini cloud here. And then stick it together. You're going to continue doing this until the end to get your beautiful rainbow granny square. I hope you like my video and subscribe to my channel, and press the like button. If you have any suggestions for a video that you want me to teach you, write in the comments. And thanks for watching. Until the next time.